Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about more JavaScript interview questions. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. So the first question is, what are the new features in ES6? So ECMAScript 6 introduced several new features to JavaScript, including let and const keywords, arrow function classes, template returns, and destructing assignments. These feature enhance code readability and developer productivity. So I'm going to give you the example of arrow functions. So arrow functions provide a concise syntax for writing anonymous functions. So here's example. It's in ES5 and it's in ES6. Now, the next question is, what are classes? Classes in JavaScript are syntactical sugar over prototype-based inheritance. They provide a cleaner and more structured way to create objects and deal with inheritance, making objects-oriented programming more accessible. So in this example, we define a class car with a constructor method for initializing the object's attribute make, model, year, and odometer reading. So other methods like get descriptive name, read odometer, update odometer, and increment odometer operate on attributes of car class. We can create an instance of the class car, so called my car, using the new keyword with access attributes and call methods of the instance my car. Finally, we modify the attributes of the instance using methods defined within the class. So here's example. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. The next question is, what are template literals? Template literals are a way to concatenate strings in JavaScript using backticks. So they allow embedding expressions with the string, improving readability and simplifying complex string constructions. So in this example, this dollar syntax, dollar curly braces syntax, so it allows you to embedded expression within the string. Multi-line strings can be created without needing to concatenate or using special characters like /n. Template editors offer a more convenient and readable way to work with strings, especially when dealing with dynamic content or multi-line strings. So here's example. The next question is, what is object destructing? So object destructing is a feature that allows you to extract properties from objects and bind them to variables in a more concise and readable way. It simplifies code when working with complex objects. So here's its example. Scores is a nested object with the student object. Object destructing allows us to extract properties from both the outer object, name, age, and the nested object, math, science simultaneously. So here's example. Next question is, what are ES6 modules? ES6 modules are a way to organize code into separate files. They provide a standardized syntax for importing and exporting functionality between files, promoting modularity and maintainability in large code bases. So in this example, in mat.js, we define two functions, add and subtract, and we export them using the export keyword. In app.js, we import the add and subtract functions from mat.js using the import statement. We can use these imported functions in app.js. When you run app.js, it will output the results of add and subtract functions. So here's the example. Now the last question is, what is the set objects and how does it work? The set object in JavaScript is a collection of unique values. It allows you to store distinct values and provide methods for adding, deleting, and checking the existence of elements efficiently. So in this example, we first create a new set of called mySet. When we then add some values to it using the add method. Note that when we try to add a duplicate value, it is not added because sets only store unique values. We can check if a value exists in the set using the hash method. We can delete a value from the set using the delete method. Sets can be iterated over using loops or other iteration method for each. They also have a size property to get number of elements in the set. Lastly, we create another set called another set from an array which automatically remove duplicates as sets only store unique values. So here's example. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned these JavaScript interview questions. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.